Hi everyone, in this video I will be making a bird feeder house. Be sure that you are using the correct wood species for using outside. A few years ago I made a birdhouse and I used plywood. That's not okay to use outside. As each project starts, this project also starts with cutting up your lumber into the right thickness and planing it down smooth. Now that the lumber is in the correct size, I can cut it up into the right length. I'm using a biscuit jointer for reinforcement. Now I can glue two side panels together. Sand it smooth, or you can put it through the planer. Only if you have some extra room in thickness, of course. Now I can cut the angle for the roof. Trace the rest of the shape on your wood and cut it out on the bandsaw or scroll saw. Sand the inside curves smooth with the spindle sander. Now I will make some thin slats, so I have some extra support on the roof side. For a quick bond, I'm using a combination of wood glue and super glue. Now let's make the base for the bird seeder, so the seeds and the birds have a place to sit on. Again, I'm using the biscuit jointer for reinforcement. Glue the panel together and now you have time to make the roof while the glue is drying. So a big board of Padouk, so that's a lot of cutting for accomplishing slats for the roof. We're almost there, just some more planing to do and then we can cut them to length in a minute. But first, let's make this base plate flat again. Okay, now we can cut the roof slats to length. The top slat on each side needs to have the same angle as the roof. So here I decided that it was too high. It just didn't seem right, so I cut off 5 centimeters. Let's make a little frame for the base so the seeds don't fall out. Glue the frame together and reinforce with dowels. Now let's glue the rest together. Okay, hi. So this was very tedious and stressful because all of the slats were already pretty warped. I asked my mom for some help and we put some wood glue and super glue underneath each slot, and then we were with 4 hands, it's easy. Mom was holding it together and I was able to put the clamps on and make sure it all was fitting good together. We are almost done, just some more reinforcements with dowels. Cut them flush and sand them smooth, and then we will be ready for finishing. For finishing, I used Rubio Monocoat Woodcream Transparent. They've sent me this product to test out and whoa, I really like it. It's amazing. You just apply it with a brush. You don't even have to wipe it off, just let it dry and then it will be water repellent. Here you can see the fact that it's water repellent. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in one of my new videos and happy holidays. Bye!